Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the water inlet valve kit on your refrigerator. Pretty easy job. You need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a sharp utility knife. Let me show you how it's done. First step in this repair will be to pull the refrigerator forward enough so that you can get in behind it and change the part. Disconnect the electrical supply, pull the plug on it, and turn off the water inlet supply. Now, located in the right rear corner, we need to remove 2 or 3 screws here to allow us to pull the cardboard cover out of the way. These are a self-tapping 1/4-inch hex head screw. This back cover is an integral part of the cooling system, so we need to reinstall it when we're finished our job, so take care not to damage it. That should give us enough room to work easily. Water valve is located right here, and 2 more 1/4-inch machine screws that are holding the water valve to the cabinet. Need to remove those. And then we can pull the fill valve out of the cavity so we can gain access to it. Disconnect the 2 electrical harnesses. They have different size pins, so you can't really mix them up. This type has a compression type tubing on it, so we need to press in on the collar and the tubing will pull out. Get a little bit of water that will spill here, but it won't be any amount. Now, the next thing we need to do is clean up our tubing. We'll cut off a little bit off the end there where it's roughed up from being installed in the old valve. That'll ensure that we get a good, clean, tight fit. Take a little block of wood to protect your floor, and a sharp knife. Cut it nice and square. There's no burrs. Now the replacement valve you get may have this extra piece on it. If your existing valve has that on it, don't need to do anything special, just reinstall it the same way. In the case with this refrigerator, it does not have that extra piece on the back. That simply snaps away. Break it away, discard that. Now we just need to reinsert tubing into the new valve. You'll meet a little resistance of the O-ring in there, and then it'll eventually bottom out. Give it a little tug, make sure it's firmly in place. Make sure they bottom out, and then pull them back, make sure they're nice and tight. Reconnect our harness. Again, there are 2 different size terminals, so you can't mix them up. Install the 2 mounting screws. Tuck water tubing in place out of the way, make sure there's no kinks on it. This is a good time to turn your water supply back on to make sure we have no leaks. Once you've verified that we have no leaks, you close up the back cover. And again, this cardboard cover is important for proper air circulation. You need to reinstall it. Now we're ready to plug the refrigerator back in, push it back in its proper location, making sure not to kink the inlet water line, and our repair is complete. That's how easy it was to change the water inlet valve. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.